Okay, so last class we discussed what are the variables, so how to declare variables and how to output variable, how to declare that variable, and what is local variable. Last class we discussed. So mostly yesterday we discussed, right? So variables are in where what is this? Input variable, output variable, and local variables. So yesterday we discussed two, right? One is input variables and output variables, and so local variables. So variables. If we have any repeated variables, that and all we can declare local variable. We'll see later. So now yesterday we discussed these two. Okay. Yeah. Now, so default. So if variables and all we are declaring. So variables dot tf file. Now variable definitions and all. So there is a one more file terraform.tfvars. This is right. So if you want to custom variable definition file, we can create like this: terraform terraform tfvars vars and test underscore terraform dot tfvars vars and prod underscore tf. Now we can easily understand, right? If you want to modify, if you want to declare anything, we can listen. Now we'll see. So as last class we discussed only variable.tf. Today we'll see terraform.tfvar files. Now let me open that one. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
I'm
okay
able to
here.
see.
Now this is the variable dot so tf file. Yesterday I declare, and you know how to declare these variables and how to call these variables in our in our resource file. So wherever you want, so we can so these are the in this file I called, right? So in this file I called. So now see here. So this is the variable file, and these are the provider where data. So if you want to call local variables, local dot that name, local dot that name, that's it. Now so variable definition file, there is one more file terraform.tfvars. terraform.tfvars. So whatever variable we can declare here, that's it, simply. For example, I am going to declare one variable tag and all. We'll see how it will work. So this is correct one, right? Now I'm going to open this file. This is right. Okay. Now here I'm using tag name, right? So here you resume tag name. I don't want hard coding this tag name also. Just I'm going to add one tag name. So see here terraform.tf. This is a variable definition file, right? For example, I am using so dev underscore tag equal to whatever you want. So we can add it. Whatever you want, we can just declaration only. So this is the just a declaration only. Apart from this, so no need to do anything. So apart from this, no need to do anything. So here I am using for example devapps underscore ec2 instance. Just I am giving. This is the variable definition file, and so in this file if you want to, we can declare so anything. Only we are declaring variable. So same name in this file what I used. So what I used, so now we can use. Now here whatever you want, so we can use in this main file. In this main file. So here I am using how to call this. I'll declare variable, right? What is the key name? This is the key. This is the value, right? So how to call this? How to call this in our file? So here how to call this? This is a variable, right? var dot name, key name, var dot key name. That's it. Now same thing if you want to, we can declare here also. Where is that variable.tf? I am declaring one more variable, 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 and so I am giving so name, same name, and whatever you want, so we can declare. whatever you want, so we can declare here also. That is your wish. So whatever you want, so we can declare here also, here also. So same type equal to, this is string type, right? Type equal to string, and so what is the default? What you want to default? I want to print default. I want to print something, whatever you want. So now I am giving, for example, dev. This is a variable underscore. Just I am giving tag for your understanding purpose. Whatever name we can give it, but anyway we are giving same name just for our understanding purpose. Type equal to string, and so dev underscore tag, dev underscore tag or dev apps, whatever you want we can change it. So all areas you need to change, so dev apps underscore tag, dev apps underscore tag, that's it. Here also dev apps underscore tag. This is our name, right? Key name, right? We can give any name, we can give so any name. So clear guys. So here also I declare, so here also I declare. Here there is one very very important question, interview also many people they are asking. I declare variable.tf file, and same way I declare tf.v terraform.tf var files, and here also I declare a variable. And now I am going to run this, which is it is picking, just observe it. Anyone any doubt here? So this is the terraform.tf var. This is the variable definition files and all. So this is the variable definitions files and all. This is the variable definitions files and all. Whatever you want, so whatever you want, so we can do it. Okay. Okay, this is the default variable.tf file. This is the variable definitions. I declare one variable, and now I am running. So now it will read which variable is by default. It will come this variable tag, or it is coming, so terraform.tag. We'll see. So now I'm going to here, but real time we are using multiple, so terraform.tf var files, and so how it will work we'll see. Now cls what it is missing, unexpected block type secret, block type secret is not visible. There is something we modified. Where is secret? This is a secret, already I used, right? And variable dot save it. Anything missing guys? Secret underscore secret underscore dev dot region, and the variables file. Key string variables, or also we can use, directly I'm using this one, maybe we modified, right? Variable dot var dot key. Next, how to call variable var dot, what is the key name, what is the name, secret, secret key. This is the we use, right? This is the access key, understanding purpose. This is the access key. Copy this one, go to your just access key, and variable secret key. Anyone any doubt here? Just I am calling, I declare secret key access key in my variable file. Just I am calling my variable from the here, that's it. Okay, now check it, terraform init. Still there is problem, variable does not expect here, did you mean variable? So here I declare variables, that is the what is that, not variables only. Someone is joined, only variable. What is missing? Variable, correct only, right? Variable only, right? Where is variables? Which file it is talking about? Variable dot, not not expected here. Variable not expected. Did you mean black line number 27 secret key? Variables are variable. What is the syntax? We missed something. All are variable only, right? Variable only. Variable. Any typo error? Access key. Okay. Secret key. Default string type. Okay. First I will close. Again I will open. Mm, mm, okay. Now go to here. First I am deleting this and all. Terraform state file. I don't want state file. Maybe provider. That's it. Okay. Now clear it. CLS Terraform init. We maybe typo error. Something. Check it. Variable secret key is a variable typo error. That is the problem. So now see here. Secret key. Where is secret key? Variable. 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 Okay. Okay. Now understand, right? So what is the error? Typo error. What is error? Typo error. Now check it. That's it. So now you try to understand. So enter also many people ask a question. Here I declare two files. Variable dot file available, and same way Terraform dot var files also I declare, and which is first priority. Now I declare two files. Now I declare two files. So now I declare two files. Terraform dot var file, and so provider file, variable files. Now anyone guess it? So Terraform read this file or this file? Let's guess it. I declare two. Here also tag name I declare, right? So here also I declare tag name. See, DevApps underscore tag equal to I given some name, and variable also I declare same thing. See here where I declare variable equal to DevApps underscore tag I given something. Okay. Now I running my script. So the first priority goes to variable.tf file or terraform.tfr file. Just at least guess it. Now I'm using Terraform plan validation. అర్థమవుతుందా? What Ashish? Validate, right? Terraform validate. So you understand, right? I declare two. So here variables.tf file, and so terraform.tf var files. Intro they are asking. So I declare two files. Variable file also available. Terraform.tf files also available. So here also I declare so that variable definition and all I declare here, and which is first priority. So it will read from this or it will read from this. Anyone? Validation done. Now plan. What Shiva? Please guess it. What Saratha? Which file it will read? Variable.tf file or terraform.tf vars?
I think variable dot
Variable dot variable dot
txt files.
fp files. Okay. Now we can see here this is AMI, and so this is the this one, and so instance type equal to micro, and tags equal to devapps.ec2 devapps.ec2. So now devapps.ec2, where it is, which file it is available? Terraform.tf var files or variable data. Here I given variable dot tag. Key same only, right? Yes or no? DevOps underscore tag variable name. What name I given here also? Here also what name I given? DevOps underscore tag. But here I given DevOps underscore EC2 for your understanding purpose. Here I given variable dot tag, variable tag. So Terraform first priority goes to which file? ఇప్పుడు ఏ ఫైల్ నుంచి రీడ్ చేసింది ఇది? వేరియబుల్స్ డాట్ టీఎఫ్ ఫైల్ ఆర్ టెరాఫామ్ డాట్ టీఎఫ్ వేర్ ఫైల్స్? అట్ శివ ఆశిస్ ఏ ఫైల్ నుంచి రీడ్ చేసింది? దిస్ ఫైల్ ఆర్ దిస్ ఫైల్?
Terraform file.
Terraform file. This is the question. So last time also they asked. So they have two files. They declare two files, variables, variable.tf file, and so variable.tf terraform. So tfvar files. If both files available, which is the first priority? Now based on your understanding, tell me variables.tf file or terraform.tfvar files. First priority. Terraform give first. Uh,
Terraform.
ఇది this is the expected answer. Okay, so by default file name variable.tf only. Suppose if you declare terraform.tf file, terraform give first priority to terraform.tf var files. Suppose if I remove this file, now the first priority goes to which file? For example ఇది
Variable
లేదనుకో
type.
variable.tf file. So there is one more file. This is the custom files. These three are the custom terraform tf files. Custom means for example real time, right? We are declaring like this also, dev underscore terraform tf file, test underscore terraform tf file, prod underscore terraform tf file. Okay, so in that case, so now if you want to pass, so that case we need to pass this one. Okay, now we'll see. So as of now it will read only so terraform. Now I'm going to remove the this file. Now see here how it will work. Now I don't want this file. Which file? I am deleting, control X. I am deleting here. I am backup, I am keeping somewhere, later I will paste it. Okay, now this file is not available, right? Now I am running this file. See here, terraform plan. Now so now the priority, now terraform read variables from which file? Which file? అర్థమవుతుందా? దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇంటర్ ఆల్సో మెనీ పీపుల్ దే ఆర్ కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్. సో వీ డిక్లేర్ టూ ఫైల్స్, variable.tf file, terraform.tfvar files. So if both are available by default, so terraform give first priority to terraform.tf file. If this file is not available, in that case only it will read variable.tf file. I hope now you understand, right? Now variables underscore tag, this tag name coming from which file? ఇది ఏ ఫైల్ నుంచి వచ్చింది? ట్యాగ్ నేమ్ ఏ ఫైల్ నుంచి వచ్చింది? వేరియబుల్స్ డాట్
Variables.
నౌ గాట్ ఇట్ రైట్. సీ హియర్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఫైల్ ని రీడ్ చేసింది. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ కస్టమ్ ఫైల్స్, హౌ టు రన్ యువర్ కస్టమ్ ఫైల్స్? నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిక్లేర్ దీస్ టూ ఆల్సో. నౌ సీ హియర్ సేమ్ path. Now okay, I am copying this one and again I am going to paste it here, my same path. Okay, now I am going to declare so one more files. Now see here, this is very very important, interview purpose they are confusing here. Now I declare one more file, rename, one more file, rename, and so this is the what I need to do. So I am going to declare multiple files. So for example this is the dev underscore dev dev underscore terraform.tf file, and one more file I'm going to give. This is the test underscore tf file. Where is rename? This is the test. Real time we are maintaining like this one. So tfvar files. One more file. Whatever like this we are maintaining. Now I am pasting, and this is the rename, and this is the production. This is the prod terraform.tf file. Now prod. is the prod Terraform file. Prod already available. If the file name extension, no, there is something I removed. Rename. This is the prod, right? This is the Terraform. Terraform. This is the prod. PROD prod. Okay. Now see here. Now I am opening dev file. These three files I am opening. These are the custom files, guys. These are the custom. Custom means I declare, right? These are the user defined files, and open this and modify. This is the DevApps. DevApps. This is the dev. This is the dev, and this is the dev I saved, and this is the one more. What is the? This is the production, right? This is the prod. I am giving uh, where I give DevApps Control Z tag only. This is the prod EC2 PROD production EC2 instance. Save it, and this is the test instance. This is the test EC2 instance, and this is the dev EC2 instance. I hope you understand, right? So tag is same only, key is same only, DevApps underscore tag only. I am not going to change anything. Just I changed this one only. This is the dev EC2 instance, and this is the test EC2 instance, and this is the production EC2 instance. Now how to run this and all runtime. Now if you want to run, now we know two files, how this file priority and all. Now I need to run runtime. So if you want to run runtime, how we can run? How we can run? I want to read only this file data. So that case, so yesterday we discussed, right? So what is the how we can call it, guys? So Terraform. This is the syntax. Terraform, Terraform, Terraform plan or apply whatever you want. Hyphen var hyphen file equal to file equal to your file name. Which file you want to read, guys? For example, prod underscore terraform dot tf vars. Same way, if you want to run only my dev file, I want to run only dev file. So that case we can use this is the dev underscore. Suppose if you want to run only test file, so that case we are using so test. And I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt here? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Very important. Try to understand and try to understand. Now coming to here. Now so already I saved everything, right? Okay. This is also saved. Control S, this is also saved. Now so this is same only dev underscore ec2, this is the test underscore ec2, this is the production underscore ec2. Now run it. How? So right now it is coming variable underscore tag, this is coming from variable file. No sir, I want run my production only. So that case hyphen var hyphen file equal to, so what is my file name? So which one you want, test dev or prod? For example, prod underscore terraform dot tfvars. Now see here, tag name. The tag name it is coming from. So which file this data coming from? Production underscore ec2. So now Terraform read that variable definition data. It is read from which file? Variable file or tf dot terraform dot tf file, or so prod underscore terraform dot tfr file.
Fraud and
Prod underscore this file. So this is the, if you custom, so this is the very important. Now if you want to pass a custom tfr file, this is the syntax, first priority. Now it won't read this file, it won't read this file. Suppose if you are not giving custom file, first priority goes to which one?
Terraform
So
dot
this is the first priority. This is the first priority. So if you pass any if you pass if you pass any one if you pass any custom file, this is the first priority. If you are not pass any var file, next second priority it will goes to this file. This is the second priority. So if you are if you, this file is also not available, now it will go to third priority, this one. I hope you got it right. Still anyone any doubt? Very very important interview. Okay, this is the third priority. So if you pass custom file, it won't read these two files. If you are not giving custom file, now first priority goes to terraform.tf file. If this file is not available, now first priority goes to variable.tf file. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt still here? So this is the default file, and this is a variable definition file. This is a custom file, tf file, tfr files. Now if you want to no sir, I don't want to show production, I want to run dev environment. See, dynamically it will pick from the dev en only. Now see here, I am giving dev underscore terraform. Now see here, the data, it is read data variables from dev only. Now it will come dev underscore ec2. Now the tag name, it will come dev underscore ec2. Now see here, dev underscore ec2. No, I want to run only test environment. So that case we are using test. Now see here, so that variables and all, it is read from this file only. This is the custom file. Based on your environment, dynamically if you want to read, see here, test underscore ec2 instance. So anyone any doubt guys here? I hope you understand, right? This is very very important. Most of the cases they are asking this question. So I have these files. Okay. So if both are available, in this case, which is the first priority? ఓన్లీ అజ్యూమ్. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఈ రెండే ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, విచ్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ? మర్చిపోయినారు అప్పుడే. వాట్ ఆసిస్ శివ. సో నవ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ టూ ఫైల్స్, వేరియబుల్ డాట్ టీఎఫ్ ఫైల్, టెరాఫామ్ డాట్ టీఎఫ్ ఫైల్. విచ్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్?
Terraform.d.
టీఎఫ్ ఫైల్.
Terraform
సపోజ్ టెరాఫామ్ డాట్ టీఎఫ్ ఏర్ ఫైల్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్. ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ రీడ్
variable TF.
వేరియబుల్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ పాస్ కస్టమ్ ఫైల్, in this case which is the first priority? Custom file only. If it is not available, this one, it is not available, by default it will come variable.tfl. This is the question, this is the answer. Okay, so based on you understand, just note it and remember, very very important. Okay, ఈ రోజు బాగా గుర్తుంటుంది. ఒక 3 days తర్వాత అడిగిన అనుకో మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. సో నౌ క్లియర్ రైట్? Yes or no? So if it is clear, let's move on to one more concept. I hope everyone clear, right? Real time also mostly we are using these three files, and so we need to understand so how it will work. So if you pass custom, first priority. If there is no custom, terraform first priority. If there is no terraform, next variable file. That's it, very simple. Now let's move on. I hope clear, right? Now I'm going to new concept. Yes or no? Still anyone any doubt here? Sharath, clear? Shiva?
Clear, sir.
Okay, now very one more concept. So meta arguments. There is one more important topic in Terraform also, meta arguments. Mostly I am covering interview questions, interview topic only. Meta arguments. Meta arguments in Terraform. See here, meta arguments. So if you go here, meta arguments. So these are the meta arguments, guys. These are the meta arguments. Depends on, count, for each, provider, life cycle. These are the meta arguments. So this question also many people they asked what are the main meta arguments in Terraform. What is this meta arguments? So what are the meta arguments? So these are the meta arguments. So this is the depends on. So this is the depends underscore on count. Next depends on count for each provider, for underscore each provider, already know provider. This is very simple only. Next which is last one, 5 life cycle. This is the provider life cycle. Life cycle. Okay, so these are the meta arguments. So very simple only, just try to understand, already you know so many things. This is the depends on count, for each loop, and provider life cycle. These are the meta arguments. So now see here, I want to know first a simple one, count. Count means so count is the one meta arguments in Terraform. Count is the meta argument, and so see here, with the help of basic syntax. So count is a meta argument defined by the Terraform language. It can be used with model and any every resource type. Wherever you want, we can use it. So wherever you want, we can use it. Wherever you want, we can use it. Now see here, I am using very simple example. We can easily understand. Now close it. Now close all these things. I don't want. So yes, close it. Now I'm going to create so one more directory, one more folder, meta arguments. Meta meta arguments. So now go to here, and so now I'm go to here, meta arguments, and under meta arguments I'm creating one more folder, count, count, count. Okay. So under this count, already I'm copying previous one only variables, and this enough for me. Provider, go back every time, no need to type. Okay, paste it. Okay. So now see here, this is the already you know, right? This is the count. So here simply I'm using I don't want all these things. Again we need to declare variables and all, right? I don't want. Previous example I'm copying. Previous means I used VPC here provider. Here hard coded, right? I need that file. Meta arguments. If you want to, we can type manual only. Anyway, already I written, right? Why I need. So okay, access key and secret key, that's it. So remaining and all I don't want. I'm removing. I don't want, I'm removing. So key name and all I don't want, I'm removing. That's it. This is very simple. Now see here, this is the provider. I hope everyone know. This is the EC2 instance creation. Now I am using count. Meta meta arguments. Okay, count meta arguments. Now if I run this one, how many instances will create, guys? If I run this my Terraform script, how many instances will create? At least guess it. Only one or five or 10?
One.
Only DIR. Okay, so notepad provider. So notepad provider. So if I run this Terraform file, how many instances will create? This is basic, right?
One only.
Only one, right? Anyone any doubt here? What, Siva, Asis,
No.
anyone any doubt, right? No, right? Just I'm giving so resource name AWS underscore instance, local name AMI, I given instance type. This is my tag name. This is my tag name. No, no, sir. I want 5 instances. I want or 4 instances. I want 100 instances. So if you want to 4 instance, we can copy 4 times and also we can paste it. This is one way. This is very simple, right? Got it? I hope you understand, right? Asis, Shiva, clear. For example, I need 4 instances. Sharath, you got it? So I need 4 instances. 4 times we can copy and paste, we can run it. This is very one simplest way. But I need 100 instances. Can you 100 times copy and paste it?
No.
చేయలేం కదా, 100 instance అంటే 100 times. So for this purpose, and so Terraform people, they are giving one meta arguments, that is the count. What is this? Count. So one meta argument, so count. So count means now we can use so like this. Now I am using here. See here, already example they given. So they given count equal to one variable. Create 4 similar EC2 instances. So they given 4 similar instances. I am declaring one variable count. So 4 similar instances. Count equal to I given 4. So create 4 similar EC2. Similar means same AMI, same my same instance type. That's it. Now got it. Suppose if you want to update the tag name, I want to tag name also something change it. So like this also we can call. Like this also we can call. Count dot index. So here I am using so server or so DevOps DevOps underscore I am giving count dot index. Count dot index means, and it will come first. So DevOps underscore 1, and second time DevOps underscore 2. Index means, right, so index will come, so it will come one, index will starts come. So what guys? 0 0 1 2 3, like this it will start. 2 3, like this it will come. Okay, now see here, I'm giving count equal to 4. Now 4 instances will create. So 4 instances will create. 4 instances will create. And so this is the DevOps underscore count dot index means, this is the syntax. So count dot index means, see, index, the distinct index number starts with the 0 and corresponding this instance, and it will increase, and it will increase, and it will increase, and it will increase. First index starts with 0 1 0 1 2 3 4, like this it will increase. Now this is tag names, it will come. What name it will come? First DevOps underscore tag name it will come. So these are the names. Tag name it will come DevOps underscore 1, sorry 0, and so DevOps first instance కి ఇలా వస్తుంది. DevOps underscore 1 second instance, DevOps underscore 2 third instance, DevOps underscore 3 fourth instance. This is the tag name, it will come like this. So anyone, any doubt here? Suppose if we give 100, if I count give, I given 100. If I give count 100, how many instances will create guys? 100 instances will come. The 100 instance will create, and so here index it will start with 0 to 99. 0 to 99. 0 to 99. So now I am giving, so for understanding purpose, right? I am giving only uh, two to enough. And now see here, first instance it will come DevOps underscore 0, and second instance it will come DevOps underscore 1. Now check it. So Terraform init, something missing. What missing? Anyone? Provider TFEC2 instance. There is no closing brace for this black, and okay, there is something missing. So here closing bracket we missed. Where is this closing bracket? Okay, control S, save and run it. Now go to here. Now run it. Control plus plus. Clear it. CLS Terraform init. Count is very simple only. Count means how many instances you want. So count is the one meta arguments, and we can declare, and anywhere we can call it. I hope you understand, right? Anyone, any doubt here, guys? Shiva, as is clear. Count. That is your wish. Very simple. They just declare the count. That's it. COUNT count, and we are giving number. How many count you want. Same like this. I declare one variable. So count equal to 2. So means same instance it will create 2. If I give 100, 100 instance. 10 means 10. 50 means 50. That's it. Now see here. That is downloaded. Now Terraform validate. Next Terraform plan. Now go here. Before that, let me log in my AWS. Okay. Now I'm using. So two instances. See here. Plan. Two to add. Two to add means two instances. Two times. Now see here. So we can see this is the first time, right? Same AMI ID, and second time also same AMI ID, and same EC2 instance underscore type, same instance underscore type, and here also same instance underscore type. Where is this instance underscore type? Two times. That is means plus plus means adding. Two instances will add. Now finally Terraform apply hyphen auto approve. It won't ask any confirmation and all, directly it will create. Now go to here, what is this? MFA authentication pass key. శివా ఇది ఉందా నీకు అథెంటికేషన్ ఎనేబుల్ చేసినావా మల్టీ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అథెంటికేషన్ ఎంఎఫ్ఏ
లేదు సార్ నేను పాస్ట్ క్లాసెస్ కొన్ని పెండింగ్ ఉన్నాయి సార్ కొద్దిగా
ఇక్కడ
ఇంట్లో
మామూలుగా
పర్సనల్
కాదు
ఇష్యూస్
కాదు
వల్ల
ఇక్కడ మీకు మామూలుగా ఇది ఎనేబుల్ చేస్తే ఇలా వస్తుంది ఇంతకుముందు ఇక్కడ స్కిప్ నవ్వని వచ్చేది
నేను చేయలేదు సార్ నేను చేయలేదు సార్ నేను చేయలేదు సార్
చేస్తే మనకి మళ్ళీ ఇది అడుగుతుంది రిజిస్టర్ ఎంఎఫ్ఎంఏ మీ మొబైల్కి వస్తుంది ఫోన్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఓకే క్యాన్సిల్ ఇట్ హౌ టు లాగిన్ now it won't allow MFA. It should be mandatory. See the skip icon, it is gone. యాప్ నీ మొబైల్లోనే చేయాలి ఇది నీ మెయిల్ ఐడికి వస్తుంది ఓటీపీ వస్తుంది అండ్ సో ఆన్ ఎంఎఫ్ఏ డివైస్ నేమ్ లెట్ మీ ట్రై అగైన్ సి I think it won't log in without authentication. Okay. So now anyway, here also we can check it. So see here, two instances created, resources added to. So how many resources added, guys? How many instances added? Only one or two? Count I given how many? Two, right? So this is the two. Suppose if you want to 10 instance, we need to give 10. That's it. This is the one meta argument. One meta argument. So one meta argument. So anyone any doubt here? Hello? Clear? What about others? Hello? Anything you want to more? This is very simple only. Okay? Meta arguments. Now one more. Clear, guys? Any doubt here? At least yes or no? Count.
Yes.
Okay. Now one more argument. We'll see. What is this? For each loop. For each. For each means, right? Uh, for each means I want to do something, right? So for each to set, there is many ways we can use it for each loop, key and values. So how to iterate? So that and all we'll see. So for each, this is the syntax. So for each also syntax count, depends. This is also simple. Depends means so before creating, for example, I want to create VPC subnet. If you want to create subnet, what is mandatory, guys? Subnet.
BPC.
VPC. So VPC is mandatory. Without VPC, can you create so subnets?
No,
No, right?
No, sir.
Without EC2, one more. For example, I want to attach elastic IP address. If you want to attach elastic IP address, first what you need to do? One IP address I want to add it. So in that case, what I need to do?
Right.
Same and same. Say like. So that is the depends on. So here also I will show you. So here they are giving, if you want to, we can use this example also. What is depends on, right? So depends on meta argument handle hidden resources or model depends that Terraform cannot automatically enter without. So if you mention depends on means if that is available only, it will create a next one. Otherwise it won't create. See here, this is the depends on they are using. Okay, we'll add. See, depends on AMI role they are given here. In this case, I am giving a VPC ID. In this case, I am giving a VPC ID. VPC ID. So how we are creating same can I can do, or also I can do sub different also. Okay. Or if you want to more example, we will see this many example available. So where is this? Here Terraform, my Terraform here variables, variables for each not variables. Here there is one more provisioners the models meta arguments. Where is that meta arguments? Fundamental Terraform resource. Uh, Meta argument for each loop. This is a counter. Here also we can see same only. If you want to check variables and all, they are also given same. See here, they given count, and if you want to, we can add like this. This is the hard coded, and if you want to add index, it will give count also. Same only. Now come to for each loop. For each or depends on anything. These are very simple only for each loop. So if you go to for each loop, if you go to for each loop, to set there is multiple ways. If anyone know, so Java and all, this is very simple only. See here, these are the for loop. For each loop, they declare so dev environment I want to this, and QA environment this one, stage environment I want this name, production environment I want this name. So how to iterate these values? How to iterate these values? Now got it. So how to iterate these values? So if you want to iterate, so we can use same way. What example they given? Simply I am giving so this users also to set they given, right? To set. Now I am going to my file. Where is my file? This is my file, right? So Terraform init notepad provider.tf file. Okay, that is a count. Now I am using so resource equal to AWS underscore IAM underscore user. So what is this, guys? Already you know. If you want to add any user, if you want to add any user, and this is also one resource, right? Terraform Terraform. So if you give, so this is the IAM users. If you want to, so add something, so we can use. So IAM user and name equal to path tags. If you want to add users also, we can add like this. These are the example. They are giving many ways. Effort to action resource. I am user. I am user LB load balancer. They are using load balancer name, path, tags they are giving. They are attaching policy. I don't want policy. Very simple way. So my user for each loop two set means here they given some example usernames Jack one user, James one user, and Madhu. So these all are we can add like this many users. We can add this so many users. Now see here. So like this we can add so many users. Like this we can add so many users. This is what is this guys? Anyone? At least guess it. I am using so this one, right? What is this? Here I am using a square bracket. Here I am using closing square bracket. What is this one? Anyone at least guess it? This is the array. This is the array. We are mentioning like this. So there is these many ways we can declare. So one area, one way, different. If you know anyone Java, some scripting language, we can declare like this. We can declare like this, and we can declare like this. There is some difference. One is array, and this is any function, and this is flower brackets, open flower bracket, closing flower bracket. Now if you see somewhere, so these are the array. In the array they mention so these are the usernames. Now this is the function. Now they are using two set. Two set is the one function. The function they are using, see here, which symbol they are using, flower bracket, or so this is open close, this is close parenthesis. This one, this is the flower bracket class, open flower, closing flower bracket. This is the square bracket, and this is the function. Two set is the one function, and they are printing. How it will print we'll see. These are very simple, but we need to practice. We need to practice. What is this meta arguments, right? So meta arguments in Terraform, and if you click on meta arguments, and so this, sorry, where is function? Meta arguments. Under meta arguments for each loop, in for each loop these are the syntax. They are using map. Map means key and value, and two set also they are using. See here, this is the two set. There is multiple ways we can use it. This is the basic syntax. First we need to understand what is map, how data will store, and what is two set, how data will store, and so what is for each loop. See here how they are iterating. So there is many ways we can pass it. This is the input parameters of the module. So if you want to declare variables, that case. So now these are the each key dot key. Each dot key means it is coming key value. It is each dot value means it is coming value. So generally, if I pass like this, name equal to I am giving so dev apps. So here which is key, which is the key, and which is the value, guys? At least you need to understand this one. Here which is the key? Key ఏంది ఇక్కడ? Which is the key? Anyone?
Name is key,
Name is the
values
key.
DevOps.
Correct. We need to understand this is a basic. Name is the key, value is DevOps. Now they are using each dot key means it will come name. Each dot value means it will come DevOps. This is a loop. In iteration we are calling this is the syntax. See here they are giving so each dot key means the map key value corresponding this instance. Each dot value means the map value corresponding this instance. Map value will come. So this is the example. If you want to see, they give an example. Where is they given? In top they given, right? So somewhere now see here key dot key, each dot key, and so each dot key. So like this. So this is the already we written right here. We added right. Now each dot key. Now check it. Save. Now run the same file. Terraform. So already I run that. I need to destroy also. Two instances I created, right? So I need to destroy. Okay, later I will destroy. Before that, I remove and I need to destroy. Okay, ds destroy. Already two instances created, but I am unable to log in my AWS account. That two instances keep on running. I need to remove that two instances, or else continuously it is running. Okay, yes. Concept is very simple only. We need to understand. So these are the count depends on for each loop, life cycle, this and all. But at least learn what is what interview purpose. If anyone is asking what is meta arguments, what are the meta arguments in Terraform means, so that is the depends on for each loop, count, next life cycle. So these are the meta arguments. Provider. Okay, that is done. Now, so Terraform plan. Now I'm using so Terraform plan. Now using already previous created instance I deleted, I destroyed. Now use Terraform plan. So now see here total plan 17 to add. 17 to add. So why 17 to add? Anyone guess it? What are those it is adding? I added some users, right? I added some users, right? So that users and all see AMI users. So that is the count, it will come 17. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and so this is the 10. See count I given 10, right? So that is the 17. Now given 1. Now I given 1. Now count will come only 8. Now count will come only 8. Now see here the count will come only 8. Okay. Now if I run this one, if I run this apply command, apply space hyphen auto. See here. So Jack is user created, Dave user created, Seva user created, Madhu, path, and games, and my name, and instance. Now got it, guys? So how many users created? How many users created? So 7 users created. 7 users created. If you log into AWS account, we can see. So this is a very simple. See here for each loop, and so I am user. This is the AWS underscore IAM underscore user, and for each loop, this are we can pass 10 users or 10 100 users, whatever you want, we can pass it. So if you want to print, if you want to read those, if you want to read these usernames, each dot key. This is the syntax. Each dot key means first time it will come Jack, second time it will come James, third time it will come Madhu, fourth time it will come Path, and like this it will come. Anyone any doubt, guys, here? How it will iterate? So how it will iterate? For each loop. In Java also available, C also available, .NET. This is everywhere. In shell scripting also, you know, right? For loop. We are using like this for x in 1 to 10, we are giving some numbers, right? So this is a for loop. Same Java, shell scripting, Python, everywhere. In Terraform we are using for each, for underscore. This is the syntax, this is the syntax for underscore each. per underscore each. Very simple. Per underscore each, and this is the array, and this is the function to set. Already I set this username to this function, and I am calling these values. Anyone, any doubt here? What, Shiva? Sharath, clear? These are some
Clear,
basics
sir.
only. If you have any doubt, already I shared one document. In that document, there is many example available. Check it, or else just check it. Also, official Terraform website. Okay. So they here also they given clear example and clear syntax. Whatever you want, just we can practice. Okay. So